Good morning everyone, my name is Violet. I'm a top reader student. Today I'm going to read for you is about teenage love at school. Teenage love at school has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. On one hand, experiencing love during adolescence can be a beautiful and memorable journey. It teaches young individuals about emotions, empathy, and communication skills. Being in a relationship at a young age can also provide emotional support and companionship, helping teenagers navigate through the ups and downs of adolescence. Moreover, it fosters personal growth and self-discovery, allowing individuals to learn more about themselves and their preferences in a partner. However, there are also downsides to teenage love. Young individuals may become too emotionally invested, leading to heartbreak and distractions from academics. Additionally, immature handling of relationships can result in conflict and misunderstandings affecting. However, there are also downsides to teenage love. Young individuals may become too emotionally invested, leading to heartbreak and distractions from academics. Additionally, immature handling of relationships can result in conflicts and misunderstandings affecting friendships and social dynamics at school. Moreover, peer pressure and societal expectations may influence teenagers to rush into relationships without fully understanding the responsibilities and consequences involved. In conclusion, whilst teenage love can be a wonderful experience of growth and connection, it's important for young individuals to approach it with maturity, caution, and understanding of its potential challenges. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.